situations that I get in. I kind of dropped the air conditioner out of the window. And now I can't get back in my window. Oh, and my dog's jumping on me. See? And so I don't want to go around because then I'm going to have to explain to my mom that I dropped the window or the air conditioner out and I kind of cracked it. So I locked my door and now I'm going to try to get back in my window. And I just thought this would be funny to watch me try to jump back in my window. So, you're sitting on my air conditioner, by the way. Down, dog! Sit! I feel like this is gonna hurt. I wish I could, step on something. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna work. Ooh, here's a rock. So I'm gonna use this rock because I feel like this will be a good rock to at least get a little coverage. Okay. Yeah, that made it a little easy. Get down! Stupid dog! Get down! A little paper. I did it. Because I'm amazing. But yeah, see, I cracked it just a little bit. I don't think she'll notice. Oh, the other side is bad. See? And now there's dirt and water all over my bed. And my feet. Whatever.